Hello Taurians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what are the messages for you. And as these are general readings, they won't be resonating with each and every one of you, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are the messages for Taurians. Okay, so we have the Four of Swords, the Emperor, the Knight of Wands, the World, the Queen of Wands, the Eight of Wands, Five of Pentacles, the Page of Swords, and the Queen of Swords. Okay. So Taurians, we have the Four of Swords, the Emperor, and the Knight of Wands. So you've been healing on something, you've given a break, trying to focus on yourself, healing from something, trying to restore your confidence, trying to restore your balance, sort of trying to gain back your authority. And after taking that, it can be that you've taken a break or taken a vacation sort of, but what I feel is the need for that was because you wanted to focus on yourself, on you focus on your healing, and now you are back in control, you're back in control, you're back to power, you feel good, and now you are wanting to move, or you're actually rushing in towards something which you are really passionate about. Okay, so you are now on the go, you are now making a move basically. So after spending time on focusing yourself, on focusing on your healing, or taking a break, you're back to action. I should say you're back to action. Things are back in power, back in control, and on to action. And this action is changing your life. There is a big change over here. Okay, the old things are moving away, the new things are coming up, some significant change coming up in your life, which is restoring your confidence. It's you're feeling good about yourself. And what I feel here is there is a significant communication also over here. Okay, somehow you have made a move, things are moving pretty good, you're feeling good about yourself, but then, and you are, things are very aligned, things are very good. There is a some sort of a news or a communication which is sort of giving, there is a sense of loss over here. Something is here regarding this communication or this news which gives you a sense of loss. There is a sense of loss, you feel bad over here. It's not a very good not a very good energy. It can be some sort of a setback, some sort of a financial loss, or you just feel ignored and dejected. It's something of that sort. Okay, so once you've got back on track, you've made a move, things are very good, you started taking action, but then in between there is an energy in which there is some sort of a loss. You feel the pain, you feel ignored, something of that sort. But what I feel is you start thinking logically and you try to get back on track, you make a new beginning over here. Okay, so maybe you have the new idea or a new way of thinking as to how you can overcome this loss, whatever this loss was. And this seems to be coming up from some sort of a communication. Maybe somebody said something which you felt bad about. It can be as simple as that. But you're trying to think of the ways and means and trying to fix things. Thinking logically, trying to fix things, and starting all over again. It's something like that. I think you just need to take care of what you say. That's what I should. This is the advice for you. Just since things are, it's a change which is coming up in your life. You are moving in very very passionately. So just don't act impulsively. Maybe because of this impulsive move, or just the in which maybe you just say something. It can be as simple as that. Maybe you say something which is not taken in a good way, or somebody says something to you. It's because of not much of thinking. Okay, you've not analyzed things, you've not thought about it much, maybe whatever you are moving towards. And that is why this communication hits you back. The King of Hearts. So it is about sort of trying to restore the balance again, trying to restore the balance again in your life. That's what it is. Trying to moderate things. Maybe that is what you are trying to do. Maybe that is what is the need of the hour, that you need to uh, restore the balance in this situation, whatever it is which has given you this Five of Pentacles. Guidance from the angels. Five of emotion. Again, same thing. Forgiveness is an important part of healing. Forgive yourself and those around you for any mistakes of the past so that everyone can move forward. Grieving is a normal part of life. Ask your angels or those you love to help you move through the process quickly so that you can get back on the path to joy. So maybe somebody has said something, or maybe since you were moving impulsively, you've said something to the other person. That is why there is this sense of being ignored and dejected, or maybe there is actual sense of loss. Whatever it is, but you are trying to get back on track. You are trying to restore it. You are trying to think of the ways and means. Maybe it's a new idea or a new way to approach the things so that everything falls in line once again. So Taurians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.